I'm Tony Tarquini, and I'm Managing Director of 5189, which is a consultancy working in the insurance and insurance technology sector. As part of my consultancy work in the insurance industry, I get the opportunity to meet and discuss this question with frankly, many of the industry's leading figures. So what I'm seeing is that there are a number of standout issues which are now being identified with regard to AI. The first is that insurance is a great candidate for using AI. Insurance is a knowledge-based industry with considerable complexity. It's conceptually very simple, but operationally very complex. So the opportunities to capture and institutionalize knowledge and skill into an AI system is potentially greater than in a lot of other industries. And as a result of that, there's going to be a fundamental change in the operational capability of insurers, and it should be not viewed as a discrete innovation project, but instead as a strategic transformation program. It's going to be a journey. It's going to be a long journey with continuing development over many years. And it's not something to be implemented quickly. Frankly, your customers and the regulator will not thank you for rushing all of this. Well, being as I say, a transformation program rather than just sort of an discrete innovation project, it has absolutely critical implications for partner selection. There is what I can only describe as a meteor shower of insurtechs in the AI space right now, almost all of who will not be around in 5 years' time. So identifying an AI-based insurtech that you can work with over an extended period of time will be a crucial decision criteria for success. I think also that insurers should never lose sight of accountability. Ultimately, the insurer will always be held accountable for what they do, irrespective of whether they use humans to do it or IT to do it. So regulatory compliance is going to be at the forefront of everybody's mind, accuracy and reliability of what needs to be done. And frankly, all systems in AI are going to need to have audit trails and ethical checkers. So making sure that bias does not creep in, that what AI is doing is fair, it's explainable, and it's transparent. There's no point a regulator coming to you and saying, 18 months ago, how did your AI system come up with this decision? And you say, well, it's a self-learning algorithm and it changes every day. We've no way of taking it back to 18 months ago and working out how that happened. I think you're going to end up with a big fine if you do that. So there's some real important things that need to be done in terms of those kind of challenges. The insurance industry has a great propensity and potential with AI, but it also has a talent acquisition problem. Insurance has traditionally never been a sexy industry, but I think in future, AI could play a major role in attracting and retaining talent in the insurance industry. The opportunities are massive for those who are bringing the right sort of skills and experience and knowledge to insurance organizations. So talent acquisition, I think, is an important one. I think deploying AI systems is the perfect opportunity to get data in shape. Frankly, insurers have never been great at the quality of their data. So improving sourcing, cleaning, integrating, optimizing, all of those things of data quality, I think will be something at the forefront of their mind once they start embracing AI as a major technology. And I think the third thing, and for me, the most important one, the most exciting, is the opportunity to move the industry business model from traditional insurance to real-time protection. And no longer just talking to policyholders once a year at renewal and saying, please don't contact me during the year unless you've got a claim because I really don't want to speak to you, to providing real-time risk monitoring and risk management to protect assets, irrespective of whether it's a car, a property, a ship, plane, or even lives. And it has the potential to change the perception of the industry from, frankly, what is a pretty negative position out in the marketplace to a really positive one. So I don't think there's going to be one big trend. What I'm looking for is careful case studies on successful deployment of AI solutions. We are currently in the sort of proof of concept phase right now. And I think if we see real tangible business results, that's going to encourage the industry to embrace AI as a transformational technology right across the business. And I think once we see those spots of success, nothing succeeds like success. Everybody will want to start doing it, and it will reach a crescendo. So today, I'm just looking for good case studies of where it's done well.